this application here. I'm pretty much showing you how to use it like a pro, so stay tuned. So here, this is pretty much the application on screen. Very simply, or nothing hard for you to understand. These are all the matches that we played in the future. Pretty much give you the time that these matches will be played. Also, if you go in the live section here, pretty much we show you all the live matches available, but at the moment there's no live matches. Here as well, they have the live matches section, no live matches at the moment. Here you also have matches that will be played today, and also matches that played today but are finished, or the match is over. So you can either top on any one of these match.
EPL is back.
Once you've selected it, you pretty much can look at the matches that this side will be playing, also their league information, their predictions, and so forth. So as you can see here, yeah, that's pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use, very straightforward. You don't have any subscription to remove the ads. There's quite a lot of ads when navigating your application. You're going to encode the ads, but yeah, very good application. So if I missed anything at all, comment below and let me know. I'm out.